Happy 4th of July in the state of Maryland where you live. So during the 4th of July forecast, in Maryland, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny. Air quality index with the green stuff of 37. Serenity, good air, feels like 80 degrees. Wind, 6 miles per hour. Visibility, 9.9 mile. Barometer, 29.89 inch. Sorry about stuttering. But as I was saying, barometer, which is barometer, 29.89 inch. So that's going to be today of mostly sunny. It's going to be a good weather, which is of the 4th of July, because we're on 4th of July right now. And as you can see here, tomorrow it's going to be 87 degrees, partly sunny. So before we're going to go over to the radar, we're going to go over to the day details. So you can see here, day, expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 82. Night, the sky will be mostly clear. The low will be 64. With the sunrise, 5:44 a.m. Sunset, 8:36 p.m. With the moonrise, 2:06 a.m. Moonset, 3:56 p.m. With the rainy crescent, which is the moon phase. So as you can see here, the precipitation is on the 20%, humidity 47%, UV index, which is 6 high, and the max wind 5 miles per hour. Now we're going to go over to the Doppler radar, okay? We're going to start off with the radar observation, okay? So the map will come up, as you can see here. Look at that, you guys. Right here in the state of Maryland and Delaware, there won't be no rain, which is, it's quiet and empty. Because it's going to be good weather, but it's going to be very hot outside. But just a little bit in Pennsylvania, which is on the rain. New York City is in the rain as well as the Boston, Massachusetts is going to be raining. New Hampshire is going to be raining, and just a little bit in Connecticut, right here on the East Coast. All right. The other coast is going to be in the Midwest, which is in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. There won't be no rain. It's showing it's very quiet. Mostly in the United States, it's very quiet and empty. We're gonna skip the radar forecast. Moving on to the precipitation. Precipitation right here, you can see here, precipitation in the state of Maryland, it's in the Washington County, Garrett County, Allegheny County, and so on and so forth, you guys. Ohio is going to be in the precipitation of 0.01, 0.08 on the green stuff. It's moving on the different directions, moving on the southbound, northbound, and on the eastbound side. Clearing up way down and going up. It's clearing up in Pennsylvania and even clearing up in New York City. Kentucky and Tennessee, there won't be no precipitation. Which, because as you can see here, the terrain of the precipitation and even the ocean side or the water side on the right, you see here the precipitation on 0.01 on the yellow stuff. Moving on to the satellite. Satellite is moving on the different directions. Right here, right now. You can see here in the state of Maryland and Delaware, it's moving on the satellite, which is in Garrett County, Allegheny County, and even a little bit in Cecil County and even Delaware, which is in New Jersey, showing the white stuff of satellite. Satellite is in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, a little bit in Tennessee, but it's a little bit quieter. New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even New York and even New York City. Different directions is in North Carolina, South Carolina. You can see here on the circles, the satellite on the white stuff, it's going to be going down the southbound. On the right, you'll see on the eastbound, and on the top, you'll see it's on the northbound side. Finally, clouds. Clouds is in Washington, D.C., and even Maryland and Delaware. Maryland's moving in the eastbound side and down towards the southeast side of the clouds. Clouds are going to be moving in Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, New York, Maryland as usual, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, and even a little bit of South Carolina, so on and so forth. New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island. And I forgot to mention, you guys, it's in New Jersey. It's going to be, clouds are going to be moving. Alright? It's moving on the southeast side on the clouds. With the Doppler radar, which is temperature temperatures are showing on the 80s, which is right here, right now. It's going to be on the 80s, which is mostly sunny. That represents it's going to be sunny all day. So in the state of Maryland, temperatures are showing on the green stuff, the yellow side, and on the orange side. So on the orange side, it's going to be on the 80s and 85. If we combine 80s and 85, it's going to be on the orange side. The other United States, you can see here, we're going to zoom it out. So as you can see, in the United States, some are going to be on the colors, which is the orange, yellow, green, and even that's it. So as you see here on the south and on the west coast, you can see here they're going to be the green stuff and the orange side, and finally on the yellow stuff. It's going to be very, very hot outside, and even mostly in Maryland, it's going to be sunny. It's going to be very hot outside. Other than that, the United States, it's going to be very, very hot. So like I said, it's going to be 80s all over Maryland where you live. But it's going to be on the 70s. Look at the numbers right here. They're going to be on the 70s. So we're going to start off with Bel Air showing 78, 79 degrees in Belcamp, 79 in Cadenville, 77 in Chesapeake City, Chestertown 78, same thing in Churchville, 79 degrees in Columbia, 75 degrees in Conowingo, Darlington showing 76, Dundalk showing 78, Edgewood same thing, Elridge 79, Elton 76, Ellicott City 79, Essex 78, Fallston 78, Frederick 79, Glen Burnie on the 80s, mostly sunny, Hagerstown 78, Halethorpe 80s, Haverty Gray 77, Jerryville 76, Jessup 80, Joppertown 78, Keensville 78, as well as Laura, Middle River showing 79, Nottingham showing 77, Ocean City 75, Owens Mills 77, Prairie Hall 78, Prairieville 76, Pikeville 78, Queenstown 76, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing a sunny, which is 77 and 75. Rising Sun 75, Riverside 79, and same thing in Rosedale. Savage 77, and same thing in Towson. Whiteford 76, White Marsh 79, Joppa 78, Northeast 77, Aberdeen 79, Aberdeen Proving Ground 79, Annapolis 79, and Abingdon 78. And look at the so like I said, look at these numbers. It's going to be mostly on the 70s, but it's going to be on the 80s, which is in Glen Burnie, Halethorpe, and Jessup. So I'll say it again. Glen Burnie, Halethorpe, and Jessup are going to be on the 80s, which is in mostly sunny. On July, with the historical weather, which is, it's going to be on the July forecast. So average high, 88 degrees, average low, 69 degrees, record high, 101 degrees, with the record high, which is 2011. Record low, 53 degrees, 2001, and then average rainfall, 4.76 inch. Now here's the rest of the forecast as always. So we know tomorrow it's going to be Monday around 87 degrees, partly sunny. And then the record high of 93 degrees, mostly sunny on Tuesday. Wednesday is going to be partly sunny around 90. And look at this, guys. Thursday is going to be 88 degrees, thunderstorms. Friday is going to be light rain around 90 degrees on Saturday with the light rain. Rain shower is going to be 89 degrees. It's going to be on next Sunday. Monday is going to be light rain around 89, and same thing on Tuesday. So we're going to break it down. So Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday is going to be light rain. The only rain showers we're going to get is on next Sunday, and the only thunderstorms we're going to get is on Thursday. And then Wednesday it's going to be around partly sunny, and then tomorrow it's going to be partly sunny. And the only mostly sunny we're going to get is on Tuesday.